watching Channel 3 Eyewitness News at 6.
New tonight, an important development in the fight against opioid addiction. Purdue Pharma, based in Stanford, has now agreed not to market its opioids to doctors.
A major change for a company that paid more than $600 million in fines for claiming that this drug was less addictive than it really was. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Susan Raff has the latest on the opioid marketing shakeup. Susan?
Denise, this is certainly an important step. Other drug companies have also agreed to do the same, but not all. And this shows in some way the outcry over drug companies pushing painkillers has become too loud to ignore.
It takes hold of someone's brain, and it is like this evil has taken charge of the controls.
Dr. Craig Allen is very familiar with the opioid crisis. He helps people get off these drugs and into recovery. He's encouraged to hear Stanford-based Purdue Pharma, one of the largest suppliers of Oxycontin, will no longer promote these powerful painkillers to doctors.
I would love for Purdue Pharma and these other drug companies to follow me around just one day. Give me one day, and I'll show you what you have done to the people in the state of Ohio.
Ohio's Attorney General filed lawsuits against several pharmaceutical companies, including Purdue, for deceptive marketing. Purdue denies the allegations, but has paid hundreds of millions in fines. Sue Kruzek, a Connecticut mother whose son died from an overdose, has shared her story with Eyewitness News. Nick was a hockey star and died at the age of 20. She wrote a letter to President Trump and got his attention. In a tweet, the president said, "Thank you to Sue Kruzek, who lost her son Nick to the opioid scourge. We are fighting this terrible epidemic hard." In his 2019 budget plan, Trump is proposing to spend $17 billion to fight the opioid epidemic. As for Purdue's decision to stop marketing their drug, Allen calls it an important first step.
This is a drop in the bucket. There is so much more work that needs to be done in terms of educating.
Dr. Allen says we must educate parents, teachers, and coaches to really handle this crisis from the ground up. Last year, 1,100 people in Connecticut died from opioid-related deaths. That's up 20% from just the year before. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right.